Welcome back to Nails of Interest, everyone. If you didn't notice the title, this is called Glitter Summer Mani Fun. This is a collaboration with Girly Nails 66, who's been on YouTube for over a year. Happy anniversary, Girly Nails 66, Glitzy Nails UK, and Pumpkin's Nail Station. We're all going to do a glitter-based mani, which technically I already have on. We're going to do a glitter-based mani. I've got the Dreamy Silver from Models 1 on, for the Traveler set and the Blue Blood set. We're all going to do a glitter-based mani that means something to us about summer. We have no idea what the others are going to do. So this is rather fun. It could be polish. We're going to ask for viewer participation in this one. If you follow us on Instagram, any one of us, you'll see our posts. But we want you to submit your own summer-themed glitter mani. It could be any theme that feels like summer to you. And we know that some people are in different hemispheres, so that's fine. But we would require glitter be put in it. And a hashtag, I'll put it below, Glitter Summer Mani Fun. I'll put all the details at the end of the video, the due dates for the manis. Right now there's 4 prizes. 1 per channel will pick a winner. It doesn't matter if you're a pro, if you're a novice. Everyone has an equal and fair chance to win. The only other main rule is that you have to be visibly subscribed to all 4 channels. That's Girly Nails 66, Glitzy Nails UK, Pumpkin's Nail Station, and me, Nails of Interest. Be a visible subscriber. I will insert how to be a visible subscriber on the YouTube app and the mobile website for YouTube. Okay, here's the info showing you on my phone how to make your subscriptions visible. This is on the YouTube mobile website. You can do it on the regular YouTube website as well. You hit the 3 dots, you hit settings, go down to privacy. You do not want to keep all my subscriptions private to enter YouTube giveaways. You would leave that unchecked. Phone, tablet, what have you. It's this button right here, the little gear. Go on down. The second one says keep my subscriptions private. You want to make sure that that's not lit up, that it's slid over. If in doubt about your subscriptions, if they're visible or not, just ask a friend or log out of your account, go back to it. If you can see your subscriptions when you're not logged in, they are visible and you'll be eligible to enter the contest on any YouTube channel. Just thought I would share that with you. Okay, I changed my mind again. I did a few practices, finding that the silver hollow looks really good over the blue Fiji blue from Models 1 in the Traveler set. It looks pretty good, so I'm going to do this again. I tried over the African white. It's just not me, but I'm going to do it over the Dreamy Silver from Travelers. I'll do the red stripes. I'm thinking I'm going wavy. We'll see. I change my mind every time. So these are the colors I'm wearing. Fiji blue on 2 nails, Dreamy Silver on 3 nails. I'm going to attempt to do an American flag because summer to me, the highlight was the 4th of July. So this is a 4th of July mani as well as our Glitter Summer Mani Fun. I've applied a base coat. Any base coat that's sticky, this is a gel. It will cure, it will adhere these stencils. She Modern's so nice that she sent me so many supplies in the past that I'm going to use mostly her products, including possibly the new Pixie glitter. We'll see. I change my mind as I go all the time. Let's see. Which wavy do I want to try? I don't know what I want to do first. Stars, stripes. I don't know. Let's go ahead with the stars. I'm going to use the She Modern Silver Hollow because I've got silver on the rest of my nails. I know traditionally stars and stripes are red, white, and blue. On camera, it just doesn't show up that great. Sorry if I offend anyone by this. The This is just my glitter summer mani. Turn it upside down, shake it off, apply it how you want it to look on your nail. You could do it side any which way. You could do partial of the nail, the full nail. I'm going right down the middle. Apply it. Just press and lift and you're done. I think I've got enough stars left to do this nail. I think I need one more star. I have one more star. There's my stars and my stars. I love how this Fiji blue, you can make it translucent. I could have done a couple coats like this nail and had it solid. I'm going to go ahead and add a little more glitter since this is a Glitter Summer Mani Fun collab. I'm just going to go all out glitter. This is their new Pixie glitter. It's their translucent. It will look white when I put it on. I'm going to put it on here and then tap it on my nail. In another video I show the difference between them. I'll put a little card under here so you can see. It's got quite a little bit of a chunky, but it's still, oops, it's still microscopic glitter. I'm just going to dab a little on. It'll look white until I top coat it. That's fine. This is a glitter mani. Just want a little bit extra glitter. I'll be showing you later in another video the difference between the translucents. Normally I was using, this is their newest one. Just want to add more glitter. And onto my other nails. Pull this out of the way. Clean this off. If you reuse the stencil, you want to clean it off. I don't want to take all your time up here. I could do straight lines like I did on the other nail, but I'm going to go for wavy. If you want a little bit more detailed about what I'm doing, I suggest you visit some of my older videos. I do full glitter manis without even any polish underneath. It's quite fun, easy to remove. You can do it with regular polish, gel polish, anything you want. As long as you can do it with foil glue on your nail. The top coat's what holds it in when you use that type of a method. I mean, it's really a lot of fun. I did an Easter egg look earlier this year on my clear nails in person. It doesn't show up very good on the video, but in person, oh, so pretty. And I did a spring, I did a purple French mani with iridescent tips earlier. Again, anytime I go out of the screen, I am wiping off my finger. I find the lint roller works very well. Tip it over. You can apply it straight to your nail. And notice I am using my stamper upside down. I have sticky base coat cured on my nail. You just apply how you want your design to look. I'm not pressing it hard at all. I'm just making sure it's covered. And I can go probably right ahead and reuse this if I line it up correct. Like I said, I'm not feeling my best. You gotta clean off your stencil. So who wants to waste glitter, right? Waste not, want not. Let's see if I could reuse it. I could just put 2 stripes on another nail, but I'm going for it. I'm going to go from this direction, that way I know. Tap your glitter out. What I do is I press down as I'm going. That keeps it sticking to the stamper. The stampers are always sticky. I'll go ahead and do a couple more stripes, even though I know it's not going to go on my nail. But I might do it on the third nail. Just keep adding glitter until you don't feel the stickiness of your stamper head or your nail if you're doing it on your nail. Once you don't feel any stick left, clean off your finger, flip your stamper over or your nail over, take the stencil off. You've got a great image. Trying to figure out how to get on camera. I'm going to try to use where I can use it on 2 nails. I missed a little spot. It's not a problem. Line it up. Just like if you're stamping with paint, you're just stamping with glitter instead. I didn't get the best lineup for that. It looks more curvy. I've got enough to use on this nail. If at this point you didn't like it, you can just take it off and redo it. But I think that's pretty good. I would have enough to do another nail, or to redo one of these if I wanted to. I would suggest you hit that curve a little bit better if you want it more of a flag effect. But I like it. I'm going to keep it. All the glitters will not stick to your skin. After you get done top coating, just wash it off. Again, you can use foil glue. You can use any sticky base coat whatsoever. The Lee, the Azure I'm using today, the Models 1, both their previous or their newer versions work spectacular. If you use regular polish, I found that the Orly Bonder does work with this. I looked on Amazon under sticky base coat. This was listed. It didn't work for me. If it works for you, that's great. If it's sticky on your nail, it will work. Now I need some top coat. Top coat's what makes this all seal in, look gorgeous. Put extra on your brush, whether it's regular or gel. Just sort of float it over. You'll see the translucent glitters are no longer white. They're just shiny, translucent goody goodness. Again, we are encouraging everyone to share their manis. Watch all 4 videos. Say enter me below. You will need to share, of course, your Instagram name and your YouTube name. Forgot to mention that earlier, because if you have a different Instagram name versus YouTube name, we will not know who's who. So I would suggest you go ahead and cross them both. Put your Instagram name on all 4 videos. Say enter me. Doesn't matter what country you're from. Put your Instagram name down below. And on your Instagram post, put your YouTube name. That way you're double checked. You know you'll be entered. We're not going to judge anybody. This is just to share and support each other. Have some fun sharing our glitter manis. Again, we ask it to be something that you think is summer in theme to you. Doesn't have to be complicated. It can be what you like to do with your glitter polishes. Anything goes, really. You don't have to be a pro. We're not going to judge. We're just giving out a few little prizes. I'll be putting those pictures at the end of this video. Just little things, just to say thank you for being subscribed to us, watching us play around with our nails, watching us work. Just trying to be appreciative. And I always say I want you guys to share your manis with me, and this is a good chance you get to share your manis and a chance to win one of 4 prizes. Each channel will be picking a prize, or I'm sorry, each channel will be picking a winner on their channel. The date will be listed at the end of this video. Everyone is supplying their own goodies for this. There's no company involved, no sponsorships. It's just things out of our own pockets, our own stash of supplies. And everyone in here, there's one of us from the United States, so this will probably be the only American flag for the summer out of the 4 doing this. 2 are from the UK and 1's from Canada. I have no idea what the others are doing. I hope that y'all have fun. Get your glitters out, get your glitter polishes out. I'll put all the information up after this. This is a cool little American flag. 4th of July is a big holiday for me in the summer when I was growing up. I just wanted to share that with you. That's a big part of summer to me, and Memorial Day is always the end of summer. So there's 2 great holidays right there. No, Labor Day's at the end of summer. Memorial Day's at the beginning of summer. It's kind of like Americana all summer long. So this is my 4th of July / Glitter Summer Mani Fun Mani. Okay, the details on this will be at the end. Please say enter me below. Put your Instagram name down to be double sure. On your Instagram post, please put your YouTube name down so that we can cross-check that everybody's who they are. Mine's the same everywhere. A lot of people's aren't. That way we can just check. We do want you to be visibly subscribed, so pay attention to those directions earlier. We just want to thank our subscribers. You're wonderful. Really, I don't think if you have subscribers, I think if you have my YouTube family. So again, thank you very much for being here with me today, watching me do my glitter summer fun mani, doing the American version. Hope you had fun watching. Hope you hit the subscribe button below and enter your mani in the contest. Have any questions, just message one of us on our videos or on Instagram. And I hope you have fun and have a great day. Have a great summer too. Bye-bye. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.